want to read my Bible. I'm going to leave you the second one.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. Is it turning?
Nope.
No?
Compressor's running, but that fan's not running.
Okay. Probably.
Anyway, got a no AC call, and this one's a little bit of a booger. This lady called the office, raising Cain and being all pissy. So we were out here last week, and the tech found start capacitor was bad. Basically it was open, unit wouldn't run. Found a 45 by 5 capacitor reading 26 by 4. She said go ahead and replace that. Or 26 by 3 actually, maybe, but she said go ahead and replace this, but she didn't agree to replace that. And now it's not working, and we're back. And she's mad as hell. Said the person out here didn't know what they were doing, and blah blah blah. Why is my unit not working? But yet she declined the repair. I mean, that gets the unit started. That keeps it going, and the fan wasn't running. The compressor is running right now, so it could be a locked up fan. But I mean, I think there's sense in calling the office, talking trash about who was here and raising Cain and all that crap. Anyway, I've got the power off. We're going to check this capacitor real quick. With all that said, I got here. She's just as nice as can be with me. I don't know what the problem is when she was calling and talking. People over the phone will get on top of a mountain, but when you show up to the door, a lot of the times they'll sweeten up a little bit. Anyway, let's get this capacitor out and see what it's doing. Be careful with that. Smoke those wires up a little bit, that's for sure. That came right off. But anyway, it's not rounded or anything, and it doesn't mean it works. Let's see what it's actually reading. And there we are with that. Meter up there. Select. And so we're going to go common Herm on this thing. Damn. It's reading 2.8. Make sure my leads are plugged in. Yeah, it's reading 2.8, not 28. So maybe the decimal point on the other meter wasn't, I don't know. I'm wearing my glasses. So anyway, we'll go here. And then we got a 0.4. So maybe we were missing our decimal point last week. But 0.4 and 2.8 is pretty much dead, if you can see that right there. So regardless, she should have replaced it, and she chose not to, and now we're back again, and she's all upset because she didn't do the repair we recommended. So let me go show her this capacitor, and we'll get a new one and get it put in there. Alright, I'm back with a capacitor, 45 by 5. She talked my ear off when I went back in there. And I was trying to explain to her that we recommended the thing get replaced when we were here, and I mean, you can't argue. I mean, if we recommend something and then you decide, no, I'm not going to do that, and then it quits working, and when we come back, the problem is the exact repair that we asked you to do the last time we were here, and you chose not to do it. Just tightening my fittings down, and that's not our problem. I mean, I'm not trying to be smart ass about it, but that's why we're here. When we come out, we check things. I mean, you got companies that'll come out and not check a damn thing. They'll just do some off the wall bogus repair and be on down the highway, and then something else will quit, and it'll be something they could have checked when they were here, and they didn't check it, and now your air conditioner's not working again. I mean, there are companies that do that. They just, the Run Cap Bandit, I guess, is the biggest example of that. And I'm gonna turn this one back on, but I mean, we didn't do that day. We came out here, we got it when we got it running. It ran while the tech was here with that, at least enough to get, where we checked pressures, superheat, subcooling, all that stuff was good. The drain line was draining. Flushed it out and cleaned it, and all we charged for was the trip out and that start capacitor. So, you know, and we made our recommendations. Hey, you need to replace this, and if you choose not to do it, then I mean, I don't know what to tell you. But I had to switch that. I had my Herm and my Common connected backwards. But I mean, I'm gonna try to appease her a little bit. I don't want to be getting on Google and giving us a 1-star review because we charged her to come out and fix something that we told her she needed to fix last week and said no to. So I'm not going to charge her for coming back out on another trip, but I am going to charge her for the capacitor, because typically if we recommend something and you choose not to do it and we have to come back, you're going to pay a trip charge again. But I'm gonna waive that this time, and I'm just going to charge for the repair. Get this thing on and running, check the refrigerant charge in it. Alright, so we got the power back on, got this thing running. It is an R22 unit. Well, they're both the same, so 2008. So here's what it is. But I mean, you can't, I mean, this is R22, so we're running about a 75 and a 185 right now. This is 78 degrees upstairs. We'll wait to see that subcooling starts to climb back up. It's only been on for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna let it run about 15 minutes. And we'll make sure before I leave I get some water coming out of the drain line, which is on the back of the house. But anyway, guys, homeowners, man, I mean, if you recommend something and they don't do it, then that's on them. It is what it is. Now, I understand they want to save money, but if they want to keep this thing running, that's why we're here. Anyway, guys, appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.